Yeah, what is going on, my friends? Yeah, I'm here again. I'm here again to analyze the market. Okay, so before we talk about anything, we've seen the way our analysis went throughout the week, and I know that, yeah, a lot of people following me have seen what is going on with your account, growing your equity, growing your margin, and growing your margin level. You know, don't worry. One day I will make a video talking about those things, because those are the things that you Forex traders need to pay attention to when you are on your MT4 platform. You know, a lot of us, we just concentrate on the money aspect. Okay, I want to build account. I want to grow my account. I want to grow my account within 2 days, but you all forgot to look at the margin and the margin percentage level. You understand? I'm not going to talk about that now. You know, this is the reason why I was not able to share any video of any signal yesterday, because I know in Forex, you know, in Forex, patience is everything, and there's always a time to wait. You understand? No matter how good you are as a trader, even you have the eagle eye that can spot, a good opportunity. You see, there is still a time to wait. A time to say, okay, today I'm not going to do anything. Today I'm not going to put out any signal. Today I'm not going to put in any entry. There is always a time to wait. So when you can respect those type of days, then you will see your account grow. Okay. A reason why a driver driving a car at a speed of, let's say, 80 kilometers, when he gets somewhere and change the road has changed, the speed will change. You see the speed on the road from 80, speed drop to 60. There's a reason why a driver is driving his car, then, applying the brake. You understand? A reason why he drives his car, and then, he reduces his speed. You understand? So what we just did, what we have done, instead of loading in entry, and loading in entry, we look at the gauge, the margin level on the MT4, and the margin percentage on the MT4. Those are your gasoline. Those are your gasoline that leads to your decision if you're gonna put in a trade or not. Okay, now let us now talk about this analysis. But first of all, there's something I'm gonna say. Today is Friday. We've been holding some trades in, right, for the past weeks, for those following this signal. What we're gonna do today, what you're gonna do, what every one of us is gonna do is, all those trades have performed very good. Now, before the market is gonna close today, Friday, what you're gonna do, just lock your break even on all those trades. Lock those break even and forget it. You understand? Leave it alone. It's gonna get to that 400 pips level, but it's weekend. Lock those break even and forget it. Let it continue. Now, based on this one in my front right now, this is EURCHF. But before the signal, I'm going to tell you something about how to read your chart, man. Reading the chart is also important. This in front of me is EURCHF, which we're going to take today. Okay. This pair has moved from this top, and got to this low. Okay. And this is about, let's say, it's almost about maybe between 200 to 300 pips, I think. Okay. All right. It shot back up. Then starting from here, it moves from here to this low. Reality of this is going to be going backward till it get to this high, while this continues to break this low. Gonna be breaking this low. Now, which means what? This a wave have started from here, and this wave has ended all here. Okay, look at this. This is the beginning of a new wave going downward. Okay, when you want to see the beginning of a leg, it's going to start with only one point standing alone, like all this type of point. When you see, they are always going to be the highest in terms of a trend going down like this. They start with 1 point and they go very smooth until they become like something like zigzag. That is where they end. They will shoot back up. This one start going smooth until you see double legs. Okay, you will see double legs, but don't let me talk about that now. This is the beginning of a new down wave, and then we're going to put on a direct sell entry right now. Okay, a direct sell entry right now. Now, let me zoom it. The stop loss we're going to use on this EURCHF, okay? We are not going to use this one. We are not going to use it. Like I always say to you, it's better to be safe than maybe. I don't like maybe. Okay? This thing is on a down wave, which will break this low and continue to break the low until it gets to 400 pips. It will dance and do some frog jump. If you put a stop loss here, it might hit you while doing those frog jumps. Okay, so what I recommend and which I use, I recommend this one. Stop loss EURCHF on the 1.0609. 1.0609 stop loss. EURCHF stop loss 1.0609. But I use this one. I prefer maximum safety. I use 1.0627. That is what I use. Okay. EURCHF, because I understand the concept. This here, it started. It's going to keep moving till it gets to this zone right here. It's going to be the high here. And it will continue to break this low. Look, before it will move from here to get here, it will break low and get to 400 pips. Now, from this entry of, let's say, I don't know what this entry is right here, but let's say is 1.0555, which it is now, EURCHF. 1.0555. 1.0555. If you sell it now and let's calculate 400 pips, 1.05, let's say it started from here, right? 1.05, okay? Let's do 1.04, 1.03, 1.02, 1.01. Okay. The take profit we're going to use for this EURCHF is 1.01555. EURCHF, the TP level we are going to use is 1.01555. This is the way I have analyzed the market for you, and I showed you exactly how to read the chart. Although I understand, it's not easy to read the chart, but because because of maybe, when you have trained your eyes on the chart and you allow the chart to teach you how it moves, it's easy. Just at a glance, you can see a lot of things and you can make a good decision. Okay, a good decision is what really, what really drive your success. Honestly, when you can make a good decision, you've given yourself 99% winning accuracy. 99% winning accuracy. Okay, the only remaining 1% is when you use a tight stop loss and it bounce back to knock you off. That is it. Okay, 99%. Why is it 99%? Because when it knocks you out, you know where it's going. You re-enter and continue to ride on it and let it get to your TP. So that is it for today. We're not gonna waste our time talking too much. Yep, this is your boy Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Here I sign off, man. Until next week when we come back to do the best we can. Don't forget, gonna be a link under this video that links you to the ebook, which shows you a lot you need to know about Forex price and why it moves the way it moves. You know what I mean? And the link also doesn't show you ebooks alone. It also let you see some things about Forex, some like maybe you need some indicators, you need this, you need that. All those things you'll be seeing. They are things that could, help you in your own Forex journey. The way they have, helped me. You understand? So take it easy until next week. Bye-bye. Your boy signing off. Bye.